What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. This is a beginner tutorial, so if you're an expert, you definitely already know how to do this. Otherwise, keep watching and let's learn something new. Today, we want to learn how to extend our audio to match a timeline or shorten our audio to match a timeline. Back in the day, we used to have to cut our audio and match it up and find it. Oh, I want it to be this long, find the beat. Still do it sometimes. We still do it. But there is a faster way for quick and dirty work. So what we want to do is go to our toolbar here, Window and Tools, if it's not already open. Click this right here, hold it, and then drag down to Remix Tool. This allows us to remix audio, make it longer, make it shorter. So what we can do is drag this out, and it will automatically remix our timeline to be exactly how long we need. That was pretty spot on. And it plays out. Let's drag this down to the end, right click, apply default transition, and it fades out on our dancer here. Perfect. Now, same thing. If we need it to be a lot shorter, we just drag it down and it remixes it to be a lot shorter. Now, this is great. This is super fast, super helpful. It's great for corporate videos, mixing music, making really fast cuts. Now, what I will say it does struggle is if you need exact timing on some things. Sometimes I need a video to end at a minute 29 on the dot. I just want it to land exactly here on the dot. So we remix it and I drag it here and see, as you can see, it pushed it a little further than that. Now, this particular song is totally fine because it's fading out, but depending on the song, it can struggle a lot. So I have to kind of play with it to find where it would fit perfectly, you know. Otherwise, the tool is fantastic. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, scan that QR code on the screen. It helps me out a ton.